Hello, everybody. Welcome to a Smart Grasp, Explore, and Win. Greetings for the day. Let's get started with today's topic.
Chapter 9 Area of Parallelograms and Triangles, Exercise 9.1. In that, first sum. Which of the following figures lie on the same base and in between the same parallels? So we are supposed to write which of the figures has same base, meaning that it should lie on a same baseline. Also, that should lie between two parallel lines. In such a case, write the common base and the two parallels. So, if at all any figures lie on the same base and same parallel lines, we are supposed to write the common base and the two common parallels. In that first subdivision, we have ABCD quadrilateral which lies on the base DC, and the parallels are AB and DC because AB is parallel to DC. Similarly, for the triangle PDC, we have the base DC and it also lies between the parallel AB and DC. So let's note the observation. Trapezium ABCD and triangle PDC lie on the same base DC because both lie on the same base DC and between the same parallel lines. Both the trapezium ABCD as well as the triangle PDC lie between the parallel lines which are same, that is AB and DC. Second subdivision, we have PQRS quadrilateral and MNRS trapezium. On observing both the geometrical figures, this PQRS lies on the base RS. Even the trapezium MNRS lies on the same base RS, but the both quadrilaterals does not lie between the same parallels because PQRS lies between PQ and RS, whereas MNRS lies between MN and RS. So they don't lie between the same parallels. Therefore, let's conclude it in a way that parallelogram PQRS and trapezium MNRS lie on the same base SR, but not in between the same parallel lines. They don't lie on the same parallel lines because the MN doesn't touch the line PQ. Therefore, it lies between different parallel lines. Now moving on to the third subdivision. Here we have PQRS, the quadrilateral with the base RQ. Let's tilt the diagram in this fashion. Also, the triangle RTQ also has the same base RQ. Now discussing about the parallels, this PQRS lies between PS and QR. Similarly, the triangle RTQ lies between PS and QR. Therefore, both the geometrical figures lies between the same parallels. Since the point, the vertex touches the line PS, the triangle lies between the two parallel lines PS and QR. Whereas in the second subdivision, the side MN doesn't touch the side PQ. Hence, they are not under same parallels. So let's conclude it as parallelogram PQRS and triangle QTR lie on the same base QR and in between same parallel lines QR and PS. Moving on to the fourth subdivision. In this sum, ABCD quadrilateral lies on the base BC, whereas the triangle RPQ doesn't lie on the same base. The base of triangle RPQ is PQ, where PQ is not equal to BC. PQ and BC are not same. PQ is just a part of BC. Therefore, they don't lie on the same base. Now let's check about the parallels. ABCD lies between the parallels BC and AD. Also, the triangle RPQ lies between the parallels AD and BC. Therefore, both the geometrical figure lies between the same parallels, but they don't lie on the same base. Now let's conclude this by writing our observations. Parallelogram ABCD and triangle PQR do not lie on the same base. But in between the same parallel lines AD and BC. Moving on to the fifth subdivision, ABQD is a trapezium that lies on the base AD, and we have one more trapezium APCD that also lies on the same base AD. We are just tilting the diagram and considering the base as AD. So on observing, both the trapeziums lie on the same base AD. On observing the parallel lines, the trapezium ABQD also lie between the parallel lines AD and BQ, and the trapezium AD and PC lie in between the parallel line AD and BQ. In order to conclude whether a particular diagram lie in between the parallels, we must make sure that both the ends touches the parallel lines. But however, in order to conclude that both the diagram lie on the same base, we must look whether the base is exactly the same, not a part of it. The base should be a complete same. So hence, on observing here, both the trapezium lies in between the same parallels. The height of both the figures should not be different. That is the concept behind here. Now let's conclude it. Quadrilateral ABQD and APCD, the trapezium APCD lie on the same base AD. We are just tilting it to the other end, considering AD as the base. And in between the same parallel lines AD and BQ, both the trapeziums lie in between the same parallel lines. Both the trapeziums touch both the parallel lines. Hence, it lies in between both the same parallels. Last subdivision, PQRS is a quadrilateral. ABCD is another quadrilateral. Now, both the quadrilaterals doesn't lie on the same base. PQRS lies on SR. ABCD lies on DC. That is, DC is just a part of SR. It is not the complete base. Therefore, it is not on the same base. But both the quadrilaterals lie in between same parallels. That is, PQRS lies between PQ and SR. Also, ABCD lies between PQ and SR. Therefore, both the figures lies between the same parallels but doesn't lie on the same basis. Hence, parallelogram PQRS and parallelogram ABCD do not lie on the same base. Here the bases are different. For PQRS, the base is SR. For ABCD, the base is DC. But they lie in between the same parallels. PQRS lies between PQ and SR. ABCD lies between the same. So they both lie in between the same parallel lines PQ and SR. So the key takeaways from exercise 9.1 is base should be complete. In order to compare whether both the figures lie on the same base, the base should be complete. It should be exactly same. In order to conclude that both the figures lie in between parallel lines, we can conclude that by observing both the figures should touch both the parallel lines. So these are the key takeaways from this exercise. With this, we have completed this exercise.
Thank you all for watching SMART. Grasp, explore and win. Stay tuned for more videos.